jumping everywhere. Left cheek or right cheek, you know they gotta fight now. Can't see up a booty battle, shake the pussy like a rattle. You can run me like a saddle. With the tickle, I'ma tackle with some metal. Pretty bitches with a pass. That's a hot follow.
Babies, y'all know what's going on. It's going on the Thaaarebelchild, and I'm back again with another bomb diggity bomb diggity bomb diggity wiggity 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 unboxing video. So y'all, I know y'all missed me. I missed y'all too, and I feel like we're bonding again. I'm back. I haven't posted in 3 days. Calm down. I'm back. It's not that serious. Give me like 2 seconds. Anyways, I'm back, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and this unboxing is a little bit different because I got some stuff for summertime. So if y'all know, then you know. If you don't know, let me just remind you, because when y'all see me, you already know summer starts early here, babes, and summer's officially have started. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a summer unboxing video with a clothing brand in Los Angeles called DAGZOTIC Collection. So I went there. Shout out to DAGZOTIC Collection. He gave me some merch, and today we're gonna be trying out the merch. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's go ahead and let's get into the items that we have. Okay. So first things first, this is how the bag comes when you purchase from DAGZOTIC Collection. It's a bunny that smokes. It could be anything you put your mind to. Just know this bunny smokes, and this bunny is forever gonna smoke, okay? So the first thing that we got is this hat. It says on the hop. It's cute. I like it. My mom's probably gonna try to wear it. You can't, sis, because this is for the summertime. This is for you. So it's pink and black. It's cute. Real festive, okay? Next up, we got some booty shorts that say cotton candy, okay? Look at that. Booty on pow, booty on wow. I like that, okay? We also got, let's see what it says. Oh, Miss Parker. Hold on, chat. I gotta try this on. I'm so excited. Hold on. Miss Parker. Now, if y'all don't know the movie Friday, this is where it's from. It's from the Friday house. So DAGZOTIC Collection is at the Friday house out here. So if you ever come to LA and you want to come to the Friday house of where Craig and Day was gonna come, you might see me out there. I might be Felicia. I might need to borrow your microwave and your car and some gas. I might need to borrow some toenail polish to paint your car. Don't worry about it, okay? And last but not least, we got this outfit right here. What is this? Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is, and it's red. Y'all know I look good in red, okay? Okay, so this is, okay, let me stop. Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and let's try on the outfit. The first thing that we're gonna try on is the cotton candy shorts. So let's go ahead and try on these cotton candy shorts. And hold on, chat, cause this what the hat look like. And then this is what the back, look at that. What did it say, mama? Cotton candy. Cotton candy? Where's that? Let me see this. Where is Sorry, you know how they be like, that's Tootsie Roll. That's Tootsie Roll. What's that sound? Anyways, y'all, so this is what the shorts look like. Front, hold on, because it's like, here's the front of it. Here's the back of it, cotton candy. Hey guys, the lighting is better, but this is the front, this is the back. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna wear this also. I have to. It says cotton candy for a reason. I gotta go to a party and just be like, you know? Okay, so I'm just so excited to wear this and like get all the girlies on me. They're like, oh, stop looking at me. You keep looking at me. Stop looking at me. This is embarrassing. Anyways, let's go on and try on our next outfit, chat. I'm excited.
Yeah,
Chat, this is the next outfit. Don't mind those muggalores in the back. But this is the next outfit. This is the Miss Parker outfit. Front. Anyway, this is how it looks. This is cute. Chat, let me know right now if y'all think this is cute. Let me know right now. Let me see. Yep, I'm going outside in this for surely. Bust down in all orange. From the 50s to the 100s, I'm mine. I'm excited. Okay. That's enough. I feel like I'm doing too much. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and throw on the next outfit. Oh no, Alright, so this is the last outfit, and my gosh, baby got back. Okay, I like this red. Y'all know when it comes to red is not my favorite color, but with clothing, and on me, she's cute. And look, I got. Hold on, what's that? Phone. I'll be on the phone with my man, babe. Let me call you back, and I just slick her right up in there after I'm done talking to one of my niggas. And then another nigga called. Hello? No, I ain't doing nothing. Hold on, let me call you back. This is my grandma. Hey, baby, how you been? I miss you. You want to see me? Okay, I'm with my grandma right now, though. Yeah, so, can you see me? You want to see me later on tonight after I be with my grandma? Okay. Yeah, they just doing. You see what they doing? I know I just can't twerk. Let me see if I can twerk this.
Okay.
I can twerk in it, Mom? Definitely. We can twerk in her. So this is cute.
Titus always just laying there in the camera.
He has to be in the camera. Anyways, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe because this outfit is cute. If y'all want some merch, just comment down below. Go ahead and send you that link to get you some merch. I gotta go though, y'all. My boyfriend is coming over and I'm so excited. So he gets to see me wear these for him. So don't ask me which one it is. Just know my boyfriend is coming over. He's my favorite one. And yeah, so if you're new, just subscribe. And if you're already a bully baby, then tell me how much you love me because I love you more. Bye. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video.